Hello, dear car enthusiasts. We continue our series of traffic situation analyses, and today we have some very interesting tasks that will be interesting for both novice and experienced drivers to solve. Question: who should give way in this situation? Answer options. 1. The driver of the green car. 2. The driver of the red car. The correct answer to the problem will be revealed after we analyze the situation. Don't rush to peek at it. Try to solve the problem yourself first. Analysis of the situation. In the picture with the problem, we see two cars moving in opposite directions, as well as a broken down bus in the lane of the red car. The fact that the bus is broken down is indicated by the emergency stop sign and the emergency lights. In order to drive around the bus, the driver of the red car must drive into the oncoming lane where the green car is traveling, which makes unobstructed passing impossible. One of them must yield. To answer this question correctly, we need to examine the picture with the task in more detail. Let's do that. Let's pay attention to the road sign on the side of the road to the right of the green car. This is a steep descent sign, which belongs to the category of warning signs. This sign warns drivers that they are approaching a section of road with a steep descent. Also, the explanation of this sign contains a very important point that will help us solve our problem correctly. Steep descent. When there is an obstacle on slopes marked with a steep descent sign, the driver of the vehicle moving downhill must give way. Since it is the green car that is moving downhill in this situation, it must give way to the driver of the red car, which, in turn, is moving uphill. The correct answer is number 1. If you're interested in similar problems, be sure to subscribe. We continue our series of interesting problems on the topic of traffic rules. Now let's look at a simple problem designed to warm up your brain and review the topic of road signs. Question: who should the blue car give way to? Answer options. 1. Only the minibus. 2. Only the truck. 3. The truck and the minibus. 4. No one. The correct answer to the problem will be revealed after we analyze the situation. Don't rush to peek at it. Try to solve the problem yourself first. Analysis of the situation. In the picture with the task, we see a traffic situation in which there is an obstacle in the lane of the blue car. To get around it, the driver of the blue car needs to drive into the oncoming lane where the minibus is traveling. To the left of the car, on the adjacent road, there is a truck that intends to turn right, so its path will cross with the minibus and the car. First, you need to figure out all the road signs in the picture, what they are and what they mean. In the picture, we can see 4 road signs, 3 of which are near the obstacle. Let's start figuring them out. To the right of the car on the side of the road, there is a road sign that says secondary road junction. This sign is from the priority sign category, and it warns drivers about the proximity of a secondary road junction on the left. Now let's look at the signs directly at the obstacle. Let's go from right to left. The sign on the far right is a roadworks sign. The sign in the middle is the right-of-way sign. Is the obstacle on the left sign. This sign belongs to the category of mandatory signs and indicates to drivers that various types of obstacles on the roadway may be bypassed on the side indicated by the arrow. All these signs together tell us that in this situation, the driver of the blue car must give way only to the minibus, as required by the right-of-way to oncoming traffic sign. The truck does not have to give way, as it is on a secondary road, and must let both the minibus and the car pass. The correct answer is number 1. And the last task for today: who has the right-of-way in a head-on collision? Which driver should yield in the situation shown in the picture? Answer options. 1. The driver of the yellow car. 2. The driver of the white car. The correct answer to the task will be revealed after analyzing the situation. Analysis of the situation. On this section of the road, the drivers of the yellow and white cars are traveling in opposite directions. However, passing is difficult due to roadworks, indicated by the sign roadworks. One of the drivers must give way, as it is impossible for both to pass this section at the same time. As a general rule, the driver whose lane has an obstacle must give way. Let's read the traffic rule. If passing is difficult, the driver whose lane has an obstacle or whose vehicle dimensions interfere with oncoming traffic must yield. But the driver of the white car sees a steep incline sign in front of him. Therefore, we read the second part of the traffic rule. On sections of road marked with steep incline and steep descent signs, if there is an obstacle, the driver of the vehicle traveling downhill must give way. That is, in the situation depicted, the driver of the white car is going uphill, which means that he has the right of way when passing oncoming traffic. Correct answer number 1. Subscribe to the channel, friends. Like it and share the video with your friends.